Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 10 from Madani Qaida. In our previous videos we have learned all these rules, and this video we will learn more examples of these rules. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons, that is harakat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harakat, and the letters of leen. Apply all the rules, practice the recognition of letters thoroughly and spell them out correctly, especially huruf mustaliya or mustaliya letters. Let's start. Hamza, Waw, Pesh, U, Zal, Ya, Zir, Zi, Uzi, Noon, Alif, Zabar, Na, Uzina, Uzina. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda, and there is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. There is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: Uzina, Uzina. Hamza, Waw, Pesh, U, Ta, Ya, Zir, Ti, Uti, Noon, Alif, Zabar, Na, Utina, Utina. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. There is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. And there is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: Utina, Utina. Hamza, Waw, Zabar, Aw, Ha, Ya, Zabar, Hay, Aw, Hay. Noon, Alif, Zabar, Na, Awhayna, Awhayna. There is zabar before waw sakin, this is wawleen. There is zabar before ya sakin, this is yaleen. And there is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. We know that we pronounce leen letters without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice, and we pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: أوحينا أوحينا. نون واو پیش نو ح یا زیر حی نوحی ہا الف زبر ہا نوحیہا نوحیہا. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. There is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. And there is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: nuhiha nuhiha. Hamza khada zabar a, ta waw pesh tu, atu نون یا زیر نی آتونی آتونی. This is vertical زبر اور کھڑا زبر اور vertical حرکت. And there is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. There is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. Vertical harkat or khadi harkat we pronounce by stretching up to one alif and or two harakat, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: atuni آتونی. حمزہ کھڑا زبر آ, میم زیر می آمی. نون واو پیش نو آمینو. با یا زیر بی آمینو بی آمینو بی. There is vertical زبر اور کھڑا زبر اور vertical حرکت. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. And there is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. Vertical harakat we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: aminu bi aminu bi. The next is ta pesh tu, dal ya zir di tu di, ra waw pesh ru tu di ru, nun zabarna tu di ru na, ha alif zabar ha تديرونها تديرونها. There is zir before ya sakin, this is ya madda. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. And there is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: تديرونها تديرونها. فا زبر فا, لام الف زبر لا, فلا. تا زبر تا, فلا تا. میم یا زیر می, فلا تمی لام واو پیش لو فلا تمیلو فلا تمیلو. There is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. There is zer before ya sakin, this is ya madda. And there is page before waw sakin, this is waw madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this. فلا تميلوا فلا تميلوا. ميم ألف زبر ما خا زبر خا ما خا لام فا زبر لف ما خلف تا پیش تو ما خلفت. میم واو پیش مو ما خلفتمو. نون یا زیرنی ما خلفتمونی ما خلفتمونی. There is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. And there is zer before ya sakin, this is ya madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. And kha is mustaliya letters. We pronounce mustaliya letters with thicker voice or heavy voice in every condition. Recite like this. Ma khalaftumuni ma khalaftumuni. Fa zabar fa lam alif zabar la fala ta zabar ta fala ta لام واو پیش لو فلا تلو. میم واو پیش مو فلا تلومو. نون یا زیرنی فلا تلومونی فلا تلوموني. There is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. There is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. And there is zer before ya sakin, this is ya madda. We pronounce madda letters by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this. فلا تلوموني فلا تلوموني. واو زبر و لام ألف زبر لا ولا یا پیش یو ولا یو ح یا زیر حی ولا یحی تو واو پیش تو ولا یحیطو. نون زبرنا ولا يحيطون ولا يحيطون. There is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. And there is zer before ya sakin, this is ya madda. And there is pesh before waw sakin, this is waw madda. and to is mustalia letters. We pronounce mustalia letters with heavy voice or thicker voice in every condition, and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: wala yuhituna, wala yuhituna. This is lesson number 10, part 6 from Madani Qaida. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.